I got the most expensive car game on the App Store, on the Google Play Store. Now, yes, actually look up the most expensive car game. It's around 300 something bucks. Look, most expensive car chase. There, that's the game. Oh my god, that app. Yeah, sorry for that. Sorry about that. Anyway, this is the most expensive car chase game. And yes, it's actually like 300 something bucks. So I could say I've spent 300 bucks on it. If you have the Google Play Store, look up the most expensive car chase game, and you'll see like what I show. Oh my god, I'm actually doing good on this. I never thought I would. Oh, okay, but look, you got it. Okay. Most expensive car game that has that right there. Mostly, see that right there. That's how it looks, I guess. That's the, I don't know what it's called, the screenshot for the front. I've had a brain fart. I'm sorry. But anyway, the most expensive car game. Oh, Jesus, ads. I hate ads. I hate ads, and so should you. Unless you love them. Then, like, what's wrong with you, boy? Eating cops. Okay, now I'm just going to sit here. But yeet the cops out. Yay! Oh, dang it, I tried to yeet the cops. I can't eat cops anymore. But anyway, I got the most expensive car game. Nice. See how it works.